Jan Andresson i la traductora a l'espanyol Nora Alexander Vega. Un aplaudiment per ells tres.
Hello, hola.
Buenas noches, locos.
Buenas noches.
So, a midnight screening starting 2 hours after the midnight. Y'all motherfuckers are insane, but I love that. A couple of words about Chainsaws. This is a film that it's not going to be for everyone. But for the people it's for, it's really for them. And I have a feeling that, it's you guys.
Keep that energy you have now, please.
So, you are being warned up front. This is a 2-hour film, so it's 2 hours. It's way too long for a genre film.
You're getting a director's cut right away, basically.
Yeah, also, it's a bit too silly. For some, it's definitely too violent, and come on, it shouldn't be a musical, so that's stupid. But something tells me we're going to have a lot of fun here tonight, so this goes for every film. If you feel like it, just clap, just laugh, just scream if you want to, and during our film, if it sucks, you can totally boo, and we'll love it.
And if you love it, then please vote for us, and you can follow us on social media. Chainsaws were singing, and not Las Motosierras cantan. So we are on Facebook, Twitter, and Instagram as well. And if you like it, then you can also go to chainsawsweresinging.com and help us out by buying these lovely shirts.
Please, let's give a huge hand of applause to Sitges, because this is insane. Also, would you mind, we're just going to do a quick picture with you? Yeah? So, raise your hands in the air and let's just show the energy. Let's keep ourselves awake.
Can we have more light?